Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Maths Language of Precision. I had been watching One Blue Three Brown channel, and in one of the video it has raised an interesting question that whether we should accept the value of pi as 3.14 or 6.28. I will suggest you also go and watch these videos, One Blue Three Brown channel. They are very interesting and kind of nudging you to learn more maths. So this is my take on that question. The question is that if we take d as a diameter and draw a circle around it, then the circumference will be x1 into d. x1 is any factor. Okay, and here there is a radius r, and from that radius a circle is drawn, and the circumference is x2 into r. And what should we take, x1 or x2 as the value of pi? This is the question. So if we take x1, the value of pi will come 3.14, and if we take x2, then it will come 6.28. And in that video it was shown that Euler had also used for many years value of pi as 6.28, and after that, after over a period of time, he started using it as 3.14. So which value is natural? So let's explore it. Okay, let's look at one of the property of this geometrical figures. Let's consider a square. So the distance between any 2 points is d, and this distance varies from d to root 2d. So here I can also draw two parallel lines. Here also two parallel lines can be drawn. So distance between these parallel lines varies from d to root 2d. If we think of a figure where the distance between two parallel lines is constant, that is d, then the obvious answer is it should be a circle, but it is not a circle. The other day I came across a geometrical figure that is called Reolux triangle. Reolux triangle. Now what is this? So this shape at the center is called Reolux triangle. Now let's look at this carefully. If the radius of this circle, all the three circles have the same radius, if the radius of this circle is r, then this is an arc at r distance from here. So the distance between two parallel lines will be r. From this side, distance between two parallel lines will be r. And you can draw like this also, but the lines should touch only once, should not cross the figure. So again the distance will be r. So minimum area that can be enclosed, that is having this property of same distance between parallel lines, is the Rollier-Joliox triangle. For this picture, this can be called as D, because it is the distance between two parallel lines. Like in circle, the diameter is the distance between two parallel lines, so we will call it D. And if you calculate its perimeter, this triangle's perimeter, so perimeter comes out as 3.14 into this D. So here is no question of radius. It doesn't have a radius. Radius doesn't make sense in this picture, but D makes sense. And here the perimeter is D into pi. So the natural value of pi comes as circumference divided by D. So pi is circumference divided by D and not pi, and that's why pi is 3.14. Value of 3.14 is more natural than 6.28. So hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. And if you like, please share and comment, and please subscribe. Thank you for now. Meet you in the next video.